There are warriors before you. Warriors from this kingdom and even beyond, who were stronger than you are. And they were destroyed, not in battlefields. They were destroyed in the laps of women. What does that tell you?
Ichamadi, do not worry about me. I am always careful and smart. I shall not go down like other warriors.
This has got nothing to do with being smart. The possibility of the destruction of the man, even the warrior, is multiplied in the multitude of women. I want you to ponder on that.